Hello and assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a quiz in Microsoft Excel. So I have two sheets like sheet 1 and sheet 2. I am going to use the sheet 1 which I have named quiz for the test or quiz, and sheet 2 which I have named the data to write the questions and their options like their answers. Okay, and you better leave the first few rows, like I have left the first 3 rows to write the institution name and date and student name and his ID and all these things. So the questions, question number, the questions, the options 1, option 2, option 3, then option 4, and then the CA is like correct answer. You have to write the correct option for all these questions, and then answer, that is going to be from the students, and for marks we are going to write a formula. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then drag them downwards up to the number of questions you have, that is 10. And now you can write the questions here and the option for each questions here under the option tags, like first, second, third and fourth option, and then the correct answer. Okay, here I have got all the questions and their options along with the correct answers. Okay, so you have to select these cells, right click them, click the format cells, and then click the vertical alignment, take it distributed. Okay, if you take the distributed option, it is going to show you the whole question in just one cell. Okay, and this is going to be visible to students too on the quiz sheet if you did such alignments. Okay, now we have done with this sheet. Now get back to the quiz sheet and remember that we have started from the 4th row. Okay, so here too in the quiz sheet we are going to start from the 4th row, and here I'm writing the question number and then the question itself. What will be the question? It's going to be here, and then the option for the first question, and then the option 2 for the question, then option 3 for the question, and then option 4 for the question, and then answer. Okay, students will choose the right option and they will write 1, 2, 3 or 4, whatever in this cell. Now I'm going to pick everything from the data sheet. Okay, I don't have to write things here. I just need some adjustments to make it more visible and more clear to the students. Okay, now let's make it bold and increase the font size a bit, and then centralize them. This is A5. okay, cell A5, and we have on the data sheet the question number starting from A5 as well. So we are going to write equal sign, then data is the name of the sheet, then sign of exclamation, and then A5. You will get the question number from the other sheet, the data sheet, which is 1. Okay, so now if I drag this just to show you, you will see that I can pick all the question numbers from the data sheet. Let's do some adjustments. Okay, from 1 to 10. Now the question, same formula we are going to use again. Data, sign of exclamation, and B5 this time. You will get the question. Let's select them and then format cell and make them this cell distributed, the alignment. Okay, you can see the question in one cell now, and same is going to be the case with the options. Data, sign of exclamation, and then we have the first option in C5 and then D, E, F5. Okay, so this one is going to be C5. Remove the rest of the things not necessary. Equals data C5, sign of exclamation, and then it's going to be the D5. The next one is going to be E5. The next one F5. We are picking all these from the data sheet. Okay, answer. Now students will write the correct option 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, you don't have to write anything here, just to show you that how students will choose the option. I wrote 1 here. Now centralize and give them some borders, and now the distributed option is gone. Let's right click, format cell, and the vertical alignment is going to be distributed. Okay, now this one is fine. Select these cells, not the answer, just these cells, and drag them. You got all the questions and their options from the data sheet. Okay, fine. This is option 1 selected. Now the answer, it was in cell G5 on the quiz sheet, so I'm going to write equal quiz, sign of exclamation, and then G5. This will get the answer from students up here. I'm going to drag it, so I've got all the answers. And then now I'm going to compare this G5 with H5. If they are the same, student will get 1 mark for that. If not, he will get 0. Okay, so a simple logical formula is needed. I'm going to make it a little more visible to you. Then equal, if parenthesis, then if G5 is equal to H5, then 1, otherwise 0, and close parenthesis, press enter. Now drag this one too. This has been dragged. Okay, now you see that we need to select some options. What's the name of the last prophet of God on earth? Abraham and Muhammad and Yaqub and Ismail. That's Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Make it 2. And then who is the prime minister? you see these options on the other sheet, it's working all right. So they shouldn't have chosen the right answer. Now the Prime Minister, let's make it 1, and then the longest river, that is 3, and select any option for that. Let's choose the wrong option here. Let's make it 2. Then earliest calculator, write anything, select any option. And then who was the first Prime Minister? Let's make it 3. And which one is the hottest place? Ethiopia. Let's make it 1. How about the last 2 questions left? The biggest flower, that is the 4th option. And the biggest surah, that is Al-Baqarah, which is 2nd. Now we are finished with this quiz. Let's go back to the data sheet and see what happened there. You see all the student answer are here, and the marks too. You can see 1 for the correct answer, 0 for the wrong ones, and the total. Let's get the auto sum. Now if you like, or you must hide the correct answers, right? So just click it and then hide it. Okay, so we are done with this. So I hope you like this, and it was easy. And in next video I'm going to show you how to protect this sheet so that no one is going to make any changes in this sheet. And I'm going to write the educational institution name, then I merged them before. Okay, now the class, and here you can write the student name, his ID, the date, etc., anything you like, and the quiz number, of course. So it's easy quiz which is ready now, and I hope you understand that. And if you still had some problem in understanding, write in comment. I'm going to explain it to you further. So thanks for watching.